Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord sa panalo na to na binigay niya sa amin. Yung adjustment namin, grabe, nag-ano kami sa defense namin. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanila na kailangan magpasahan kami kasi nung unang first quarter, ang ginagawa namin puro pass break, turnover kami.
Okay, thank you, Roger. Rico, ayan, hello. Ayan, Rico, sa game nyo against Air 21, 2 players lang kayo na nag-double figures. And then ngayon sa game na to, 5 players in double figures. Ikaw may double-double ka with 18 points, 13 rebounds. And then si Don Aliado pa na injured. Pinilit pa rin niya maglaro. Ano masasabi mo sa ginawa ng team nyo today?
Well, unang-una, bilib ako kay Don Aliado kasi kahit may masakit sa kanya, puso na lang yung nagdadala sa kanya. Kaya true last lights talaga. And sa mga teammate ko naman, actually, lahat kami nag-contribute kahit small things. Yung motto namin ngayon, know your role. So, yun lang. We're just going with the flow and we just work hard. Oh, yung mga taga Puerto Galera, yung mga kaibigan ko sa Hong Kong, David and Derek Wong. And sa lahat ng sa family ko, kay Tash, Tayshawn, I love you, saka sa girlfriend ko.
Alright, congratulations. Back to you, Vito and Kinito.
Tuwan-tuwa si Rico Meyerhofer.
Well, you know, it actually goes back to something that you mentioned earlier, Kinito. How you described Rico Meyerhofer is how, when he's out there playing, he's out there having fun.
Exactly. He's enjoying the game, and I think that's the reason why he's playing without any pressure.
Yep.
And he's delivering the points, and by the way, he paid tribute to LaSalle that time. Don Aliado and Rico Meyerhofer, true-blooded Green Archers.
Well, he's talking about knowing your role. He is the perfect role player, but you know what? He's got all the makings of a star himself as the BMX Derby Ace Llamadas take the win. On Sunday, we'll be back here at the Araneta Coliseum where the Meralco Bolts open up, taking on the Air 21 Express, while the Alaska Aces will be headlining the second game all against the Barangay Ginebra Kings. Definitely must-see TV once again this Sunday on Solar TV. And that is going to wrap it up for this PBA Friday. For Cheska Litton, for the Dean Kinito Henson, this is Vito Lazatin reminding you to be good to yourselves and to each other and to keep it here, always on the PBA on Solar TV.